If you are tired of your iPhone battery dying halfway through the day, stick around. Because today I am sharing the ultimate tip to maximize your iPhone's battery life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First up, enable low power mode. This feature reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch. To turn it on, go to settings and then battery and toggle on the low power mode. You will notice the battery icon turning yellow, indicating it's active. Next, adjust your screen brightness and enable auto brightness. Head to settings, tap display and brightness and lower your brightness slider. Also, turn on auto brightness to let your iPhone automatically adjust based on ambient light. Disable background app refresh for apps you don't need updating constantly. Settings, tap General and select Background App Refresh. From here, you can turn it off completely or for specific apps. Another tip is to manage your location services. Navigate to Settings, then Privacy, and select Location Services. Review and set apps to use location only while using the app or never. Turn off push email and set your email to fetch manually or at longer intervals. Go to Settings, select Apps, scroll to the Mail, then Accounts and select Fetch New Data. Choose a less frequent fetch setting or manual. Disable unnecessary notifications to save battery. Head to Settings, tap Notifications and customize which apps can send you alerts. Whenever possible, use Wi-Fi instead of cellular data. Wi-Fi consumes less power compared to 4G or 5G connections. Go to Settings and ensure Wi-Fi is enabled. Always keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, tap General, and then Software Update to check for any available updates. If you are in an area with low signal, use airplane mode to prevent your phone from constantly searching for a connection. Swipe down from the top right corner and tap the airplane icon. Lastly, enable optimized battery charging to slow down battery aging. Go to Settings, tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging, and toggle on Optimized Battery Charging. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.